Hi everyone, this is Daniel from Sciteq. Today I'd like to give you a brief overview of the software and EPG functions of the Altech UEC DSD 4121 VAST satellite receiver. First up, the menu is pretty straightforward. There's parental controls which allow you to set parental lockouts. You can set mail messages, but I don't believe this function is working at the moment, but it may do in the future with an upgrade. You can also adjust your transparency settings and the display timeouts, and that's got to do with the menu that you see here. The more interesting items are in advanced options. So if you go into there, you can check your signal detection, which gives you signal level, frequency, quality, symbol rate, etc. This is quite a handy screen if you're fine-tuning a satellite dish and you don't have the use of a satellite finder. Next, you can go into installation setup. This is where you need to go to adjust your LNB setting. The pin number for this is 1234. So again, you can go in and change your LNB setup. I won't show you how to do that because I've covered that in a previous video. Next, you can go to information. This gives you information about the box, such as software, such as the version of software that you're using, CA status, and license information. If you need to see the software, I think you go to DSD status. Yes, so DSD software version 2.22 at the moment. Next, you can go to TV installation. This allows you to adjust your video output, so you can adjust the format output. So at the moment it's set to 576i. You can change this to 720 or 1080. You can also adjust your aspect ratio and your digital audio. Finally, you can adjust the local time. The boxes default to New South Wales, so if you're in WA, make sure you change this when you first get the box. Otherwise, all the times in your guides and iPlates will be out by 2 hours. Next, I'd like to show you how the TV guide and iPlates work. There's an I button, a white I button on the remote control. If you press that once, it brings up the channel name, as well as the program that's currently playing, as well as the next program. If you press it again, it gives you a much more detailed description of the program that's currently on, and you can use the down button to show the next program that's on. You can also use the left and right arrows to select another channel and see what's on there. Next, I'll show you the EPG. So there's a TV guide button on the remote control. If you press that, it brings up a list of channels as well as what's currently on and what's on in the future. So you can use the right keys to select a channel in the future. My apologies, a program in the future. Press the OK button and set a reminder for that program. Next, I'd like to show you how to toggle between TV and radio mode. On the top left-hand corner of the remote is a TV button. It's also grouped in with a green music symbol. That's the radio button, but you have to press the shift button to get to it first. So you press shift and then the radio button, and it toggles from TV to radio. At the moment on VAST, only SBS is being broadcast, so even when you press the guide button, all you get is SBS. And finally, to toggle back to TV mode, just press the TV button.